Shut it off for a second, please.
Sun was beginning to set at Chambers Bay last night of the U.S. Amateur Championship, where the last match of the round of 16 was coming to a close. It featured Peter Uihlein, the top-ranked amateur in the world, all square with John Hahn as they played the par 5 18th. This was the third by Uihlein, utilizing the slope and bringing it back to within eagle range. So with that tap-in eagle, this was Hahn's third to try to match it, or maybe do one better. In fact, Uihlein told his caddy, after he watched Hahn's shot roll up and come back down the slope, that he thought he had lost it right here, because if Hahn's shot goes in, it would have given him the win. But they have the hole, and they went on to extra holes, and that's where Hahn got into trouble at the par 4 first. This was his second. And he was not able to handle it. The ball drifting further and further away from the green. Uihlein, in the meantime, set up nicely for his second to really put the pressure on Hahn. And Uihlein delivered when it mattered most. Gets it on the green. Hahn went on to make a double, so Uihlein's putt and win conceded here, and he had himself a spot for the second straight year in the quarterfinals of the U.S. Amateur Championship. How far can he advance this year? We've got the 4 matches coming up for you with